Welcome to Employment Law This Week. I'm George Whipple. President Biden is embracing vaccine mandates in his new COVID-19 action plan. Among other mandates, the plan includes a new requirement that employers with 100 or more employees mandate vaccines or test employees weekly. Biden named OSHA as the enforcement mechanism for this new requirement, and employers are now waiting for the details in the form of an emergency temporary standard, which is expected very soon. In addition to the vaccine and testing requirements, the ETS will require paid time off for vaccinations and recovery. New standards from OSHA were anticipated earlier this year after the Biden administration signaled its desire to beef up enforcement around the pandemic. In the absence of federal standards, several states have introduced their own COVID workplace regulations, and now employers will have to navigate different and potentially conflicting rules. This is of particular concern in New York, where the standards will complicate the implementation of the HERO Act. Booster shots could add further complications for employers in determining the definition of who is or is not fully vaccinated. Last week, an FDA advisory panel recommended significantly narrowing the scope of booster shots to those aged 65 and above and individuals with comorbidities. Even if the FDA adopts the panel's narrow recommendations, the extra shot will add to employers' compliance burden. EEOC files its first pandemic remote work lawsuit. The EEOC has brought suit alleging disability discrimination under the ADA. The EEOC alleges that a Georgia employee was fired for requesting telework accommodations due to a pulmonary condition. While the EEOC advocated for remote working ADA accommodations before the pandemic, courts have been slow to approve them. This is the first COVID-related remote work case where the agency itself has initiated legal action during the pandemic. That's it for this week. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.